afternoon. My name is Viviana. I'm going to talk about my culture. I'm from Shuluk. Uh, I'm going to make some things for you about my culture today. We have a king in our Shuluk, especially in Shuluk. Even my Shuluk people, they are farmers and fishing fish, and they are teacher. Now I'm going to translate in Arabic. عندنا حاجة بيقولوا له هو الملك. الملك ده هو يا مسؤول من سلوك كله. والتاني شي عندنا حاجة سلوك حقتنا هم أساتذة ناس زراعيين فنانين برضو عندنا. That's all today I'm going to talk about.